September 11, 2001, the world changed forever. 4 hijacked planes, nearly 3,000 innocent lives lost, and 2 of America's tallest towers reduced to rubble in a matter of hours. Behind this act of terror stood Osama bin Laden, the elusive leader of Al-Qaeda. For the next decade, he became the most wanted man on earth, a shadowy figure whose capture was both a national obsession for the United States and a matter of global security. But in 2010, US intelligence finally got a break. A trusted courier led them to a suspicious high-walled compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan. But before risking an all-out assault, the CIA wanted hard proof. Was bin Laden really inside? And that's when one of the most controversial espionage tactics in modern history unfolded: a fake vaccination program. The CIA recruited Pakistani Dr. Shakil Afridi to launch a hepatitis B vaccination drive near the compound with the hidden goal of collecting DNA samples from children who might be bin Laden's relatives. Locals later recalled teams vaccinating Afghans in the area and even drawing blood for disease tests. Now, whether or not the DNA mission succeeded remains unclear, but the intelligence community had seen enough. Then, on May 2, 2011, US Navy SEALs raided the Abbottabad compound, killing bin Laden in a covert nighttime operation. Dr. Afridi was soon arrested in Pakistan, and the CIA's secret vaccination ploy was exposed. Now, while US succeeded in targeting Osama, on the other hand, the fallout was devastating. Health workers were targeted, vaccine mistrust surged, and Pakistan saw a resurgence of polio cases, undermining decades of progress in public health. By 2014, the White House pledged that humanitarian campaigns would never again be used for espionage. Today, on the anniversary of 9/11, this story serves as a stark reminder that the hunt for one terrorist reshaped not only US national security but also global health, and its repercussions are still felt. Were you aware of the story or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.